Assalam-o-Alaikum, sir. Hope you are fine. Well, the function has completed and working well at some extent, but we need to modify it furthermore. Let's check it out. First of all, we need to execute this command. When this command will execute, then it will recognize if the accuracy is more than 15%, it will recognize the face. It is not recognizing because the accuracy is less. You can see it off.
Good afternoon, sir. It's 3:28 p.m. Alexa here. Speak.
Make a slide, Alexa.
Please run this command in the terminal. Streamlit runtit.py.
Now it will take some time and we need to execute this command in the terminal. The main function it is here. It will basically create PPT slide by taking input from PPT, not PPT but from Word or PDF. So let's execute this command. Run.streamlit.run.it.py. It is working well. As you can see that the browser has executed the command. Now we have to take input file for this. It is running, as you can see that it is running well. Let's execute. The interface will open or recognize as you can see that browser has opened and the app is running well. Let's pick up a file. First of all, I want to show that the original file is here that we will convert into PPT. As you can see that what is the text in this computer vision file. This is the original file and we will generate PPT file of this Word or PDF file. So first of all we need to pick up this file. As you can see that this is computer vision. Computer vision is here both in the format, first in Word file, second in computer vision. So open it. It will take some time. So there are two options that you can see that. First is create PowerPoint, second is read aloud. As you can see that there is no file with the name of output.pptx. When we'll create PowerPoint file from here, it will take some time. It is working and the file will generate here successfully and the file is here. Now let's read. It is showing that file has created successfully. Now the PowerPoint has generated successfully. Here is the result of the file. All these files are here with the text. These are total 73 files, pages. And the original file is here. You can compare with it. So function is running well, but we need to modify it furthermore. It is first step. So thanks a lot, sir. Allah Hafiz.